Okay, Miriam Rodríguez.
¿Necesita otra silla?
No, ¿usted se necesita sentar?
Sí, si quiere le traigo otra.
¿Está bien? Voy a estar acá.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming today. Today is a special day for us because it's a continuation, the first step toward and suitable and better lives. First of all, I want to thank you, God, for giving me the opportunity to be here. And also, I want to thank all the teachers for their dedication. My name is Miriam Rodríguez. I am from Ecuador. I have been in the United States since 2001. Before coming here, I finished high school in my country. In my country, it was difficult to continue studying, so I decided to immigrate here in order to get a better opportunity for my life and my family. I know it's not easy to live here, but the enforce my life can improve. I remember when I first applied for a job, everything is great. Until the interviewer started me, he asked me some questions I didn't understand. And that moment, I realized I really need to learn English. One day, I went to registration in Westbury Learning Center. My first day was excited. I knew a lot of students for different countries and different cultures. My first teacher was Teacher Lydia. She was an excellent teacher. I learned a lot from her. In my future, I would like to keep studying English and eventually prepare myself for the GED test. Furthermore, I want to be a medical assistant and I have a better life. Again, I would like to thank a teacher for your dedications and your patience. Also my husband Julio and my daughter Stephanie, who helped and motivated me to take English classes. Thank you everybody and have a good night.